In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply emote on your Roblox avatar. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, by applying emote, you'll be able to make your avatars in Roblox perform various activities. To do this, go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then head down to avatar. And from here, let's move this up and then go to animations here and tap on it. Now under animations, you can see we have the bundles option and emotes. So if you tap on emotes, now we have various emotes here such as applaud, salute, tilt, floating aura, and the list is just long. So we have some free emotes as well as paid emotes. I'll go ahead and choose one free emote, for instance, the tilt emote. So if I go ahead and tap on tilt emote, now we should see our avatar perform the tilt move, as you can see. So to apply this, go ahead and tap on free and then get, and now this has been applied. So that's how you can apply emotes on your avatars in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.